Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still your favorite graphic designer, Picsart. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you all how you can create a blur effect using just your smartphone. Despite the fact that you are using your smartphone to design, you are not limited in any way. The question is, how do you achieve that same result even though you don't have a laptop? How do you go about it? Yes, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a lot of things using just your smartphone, and you are going to get the same result even though you didn't use your laptop to create that particular design. I'll be teaching you tips and tricks on, so I would encourage you to stay active and connected so that you can learn a lot of things you don't know. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, I was able to achieve this using just my smartphone. As you can see, I blurred this background, yes, in order for me to use it to create any design of my choice. That was the reason why I had to blur it. So I'm going to teach you how you can achieve this using just your smartphone. The beautiful thing about blurring a background is that it makes your design outstanding. Imagine using that background the way it was. It's not going to make your design look good, but the moment you blur it, you realize that the background will be much more better. So let me show you how you can achieve this. Now the application we are going to use to achieve this is called Picsart. Yes, this is the application. Just go to Google, that is your Play Store, search for Picsart, and you are going to find the app on your Play Store. So do well to download it and install it into your phone. Okay, click on this, that is the plus icon. It will take you to your gallery. Now this is the background I worked on. Yes, now let me show you the original background. This is the original background. This was the way it was before I added the blur effect on the background. So guys, if you want to add the blur effect to an image, to an icon, or to a background, all you need to do is to click on Effects, click on Blur. Now click on these three stuff here. Yes, I don't know what to call it, don't mind me. Then you can increase the effect of the blurredness, and you can reduce the effect of the blurredness. It all depends on what you want to do and what you want to achieve using that background or icon. So guys, that is the way it works. So if you are done, next thing to do is for you to download the background. So click on the download icon, which is this. Beautiful. Make sure your data connection is on so that you can access the application. So the moment you click on it, it has been saved to your gallery. So guys, that is how to add a blur effect to your background, to your image, or to any icon. So if you found this video helpful, do well to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much. I'm still your favorite graphic designer, Picsart. See you in my next video.